Bro, it is so fucking hard trying to angle here, bro. So hard. Bro, it is like so hard trying to angle out of here. I'll show you guys when I get out how bad I've already like scraped the bottom of the lip. Ouch! Bro, it scrapes so bad. It's insane. I probably have already messed up this side already. That's MH, bro. Listen to that Drake album. I know y'all listen to that Drake album. Fire! It's more of a vibe, but that's my vibe, so I like it. How y'all doing? How's everybody? Thank you for coming back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, aka InZaNe TRD, in the TRD, you feel me? And speaking of the TRD, bro, I just saw some racing seats, 2 of them, Universal, with like black and red Alcantaras. So, like, they were nice. Obviously, they're aftermarket. I think they were both going for like 200 bucks. He was selling them. I was like, damn, I should hop on that deal, but I don't know. Cause low-key, I would want to get some racing seats just because, you know, like, why not? So. And these seats ain't that comfortable, I'm just saying, but you know what it is. So we're gonna start today's video at the gym. Yeah, gym's over there, you feel me, over there. But I am waiting for the boy Ulysses. He told me he was gonna be here. He's not here yet, it's all good. So I'm just chilling in the car for right now. Yeah, guys, I appreciate y'all for coming back for another video. And we're about to hit some chest, get a nice little chest workout. I'm gonna try to get as much footage, probably not too much, just because my camera, I forgot to charge it, and it's almost dead. Yeah, not surprised. But I say it's my camera, but you know what it is. Leo, you know you watching, you know it's your camera, you know what I mean. So just wait till he gets here, and then yeah. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the damage that I do on my front lip. Let me just show y'all real quick. So far I've gotten this pretty much ripped, as you can kind of tell. Yep. And I think I pretty much almost got the front. No, I'm good over here. No, we're good. This is mainly more on this side where I'm like, yeah pretty fucked up. But let's see the back. I know the back I was scratching, not too bad, but yeah, you feel it like right there. But other than that, well, a little bit over here too. Fudge. Oh no, I just seen this. What is this? Oh hell nah. SEMA bumper coming soon. Hey yo. What do we know though? I've been thinking about getting a SEMA bumper, but maybe a SEMA bumper will be the way to go, you know? It's nice, carbon fiber diffuser. We just might, man. We just might. I don't know. There's a lot of things I want to do, but I have to put everything on pause right now just because shit's expensive right now, bro. So I just gotta make my bread up, pay off what I gotta pay, and then probably do more mods. But as of right now, I kind of gotta chill the fuck out because, yeah, bro, I got bills to pay and shit to pay off. So shit sucks, bro. Adulting fucking sucks. But I'm pretty sure y'all feel me on that same thing, bro. I know y'all feel me. But yeah, man, let's get this workout. Let's enjoy it. Let's get a nice little pump. And if you guys go to the gym too, I know you know what I mean when you get that pump. But yeah, let's get this workout. This guy's a Ghost ambassador, bro. He got pump and he got pre-workout. He got it all, dude. You got it all, dude. Oh shit, sorry, dude, too much.
I just like the cell they were on.
This guy's gotta chill.
You know, I'm a broke boy.
He got it on deck on the trunk. Let him know what you want.
You know.
like I said, I wasn't gonna get much footage because we were getting into the workout, and yeah, every time I hit, Yuli hits right after, so he doesn't really have time to like film me or anything. So it is what it is. But got a dope workout. He gave me some Ghost Pump, some Ghost pre-workout, and some, what else? And some beta Adeline. And if you don't know what beta is basically like the tingly feeling you get in your body, bro. That's what it is. And shit, bro, I think I used it, and my body till right now is still tingly, bro. Like it feels so sharp, like little needles in me, like ting. So that's where I'm at right now, bro. And I feel fucking tingly, dog. Hey, it's obviously a whole different day, as you guys can tell, and it's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and even the single mamas, you know. Happy Father's Day to you too as well. And I just scraped, I know y'all heard that. Oh, that hurt me. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go meet up with the boy George in his M340i, and we're about to take a drive to the cemetery because obviously, if you guys know, my uncle Big InZaNe, he's buried over there, and his father George's father is too. Damn, I keep scraping, oh my god. But yeah, we're gonna go over there, give him a visit for Father's Day, obviously, and should be dope. Yes sir, we got the M340i right there. We stopped by Starbucks real quick just to get some drinks, but and that shit clean, son. And now we're on our way to the cemetery. Now we're gonna head over there, so let's get it. We're getting us some flowers right now, you know. Gotta support the local vendors, you know. If you're getting flowers, support your local vendors. And yeah, we're getting flowers. He's getting flowers for his dad, I'm getting flowers for my uncle, obviously. And yeah, we're already here. We just gotta go through there. It's gonna be probably packed because a lot of people are probably visiting their loved one. And yeah. And we here. We got my boy some fresh flowers right here. Shout out to the boy George for getting them. But yeah, Big InZaNe right here, man. Big InZaNe. I wish he was still here to see the build. I know he would have been like literally crazy about it. But shit happens, man. We got it all beautifully set up though. No kizzy cap. Everybody out here. It's a beautiful Father's Day, honestly. It's a beautiful day for us. No clouds. It's just crazy. But you know, always watching down on me for sure, and everybody. I know he'd definitely be proud. Hey yo! Ooh. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Yeah, bro, coming over here is never easy. Cause you know, it just makes me miss him more, and it makes me wish he was able to see all this. And like, you know, I know he would have been done with his project car that he had. He had a Toyota Crescetta. He was gonna put a 1JZ in it, like that I still yet want to do because the car's still there and the engine. So it's like something I really want to finish for him. Yo, but yeah, man, it's just, you know, crazy. But yeah, happy Father's Day, you know, to all you fathers out there. Make sure you tell your daddies you love them and everything, you know, give them love and shit, because they go through it, man. You know, they do it all for you guys, and including my father, bro. You know, love that man to death. So just make sure you tell your daddy you love him and all your loved ones. Damn. We are now over here at Target because George got to get his mama some AirPods. So we came through. Check out this wallet someone gave him.
Yeah, it's a gift. Not for real.
Yeah, I'm good. That's hand painted too. Don't get it twisted. Yeah. It's not a sticker. It's hand painted. So
I would give you the TikTok thing and she'll make it for you.
Yup.
Oh, look, check it out from the back.
Check what? Oh yeah.
Well, like, yeah, it looks so bad. That's unrealistic.
Facts. Man, look at that cartoon right there. Cartoon. Shit.
No, that's fire.
That's hella on point.
Look, you can do it for yours too, bro. On your Gucci wallet.
Yeah, you know, damn, I ain't got no damn Gucci wallet, man. Anybody want to give me one as a gift?
I got, bro, his birthday's coming up December.
Dead ass, yeah. 6 months away. Early birthday present. Yeah, but jeez. Look how mean they look, bro.
You know, I had to go with the red calipers. Make
It's a
it pop
must.
A little more.
It's a must. It's a must.
Bro, the brake dust is so crazy on this car. Look at this. Look.
Bro,
That's
you haven't seen
insane,
mine.
Bro. That's
You
insane.
haven't seen mine, dog. Mine's way worse, but I cleaned it before. I mean, at his house when I met up
He
with
was
him.
right in front of my house cleaning it.
Dead ass, because it was dusty as hell. The brake dust on these
Bro,
are
look at it,
insane.
though. It's so clean.
Yeah, now
That's crazy.
Now it is, but a little bit more driving when I get home. I bet you that should be dusty. On God. Oh. This is George wanted to come to his aisle, but he got scared. He dipped away. I ain't gonna lie. Listen, how this fell off.
We need to clean up on aisle 7.
Enzo right here. That looks like a fucking like a seal.
Oh, what is that? Camaro knee? But I don't know. How
I have
wheels
a-
fell off though, because like there's only like toy cars that
I have a
see.
badass one at home, bro.
I see. But what is this, man? There's no realistic cars on here except for where
This
this
one
Ford ST right here, bro. Like the only one. Yeah, check this out, check this out. George about to let me use his GoPro 360, and we about to see how it looks with the Camry. I seen it on his car and it looks fucking sick. And I want to show you guys what it looks like on my car and see the point of view, and maybe I should get one. We'll see what's up, but I know this is gonna look sick, bro. It's gonna capture like the whole thing. Y'all know how the stick looks like. So if you guys haven't, you're about to find out right now. We gotta make sure it's on there good so it don't fly off and I don't owe George any money.
Yeah.
Dead end.
Nah, it was a...
So as you guys saw, those video clips were very windy and I hate it so much, but I wanted to show you guys that just real quick. But if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and be part of the fam. And I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip. But the wind ruined it, as always, as you guys know. But I would try next time to get shots when it's not windy. But hope you guys enjoyed, and this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.